Here's how to turn off notifications on the Robinhood app. In the upper left-hand corner or somewhere, you're going to find this little menu option. Inside of menu, you will also see settings. Now, when we're in settings, we can see notifications. We click in there and we're going to have some different options here. So depending on what you want to turn off, if you go inside push notifications, you actually have a lot of different options. So you can turn off individual notifications like investor updates or order status, but keep on other notifications like bank activity. You can also adjust your email notifications, so whether or not you receive things like bank account or IPO access, etc. You can turn on or off these. Now, if you want to turn off all the notifications, then the best setting for that is to change your phone's settings regarding notifications for the Robinhood app. So if we back out of here and we were go into our settings, and we go, if you're on iPhone, you go through your app settings and you go down here and you find Robinhood and click into it. And then you can go to notifications and then you can choose to disallow notifications entirely. So that's how you can turn off all notifications. That would be the best way. Same thing on Android. Just go turn off the notifications for that app completely. And that will turn off notifications for Robinhood. And that's how you turn off notifications on the Robinhood app.